$13 billion gone. That's just one of the wild headlines shaking up the crypto world today. But first, let's talk about privacy. Zcash co-founder Zuko Wilcox just dropped a truth bomb, saying the whole world is clamoring for more privacy, especially when it comes to their digital dough. And honestly, who can blame them? Nobody wants Big Brother peeking at every single transaction. That's where privacy coins come in. Think of them like digital cash. When you pay with a regular crypto like Bitcoin, it's all out there on the blockchain for everyone to see, like a public ledger. But with privacy coins, those transactions are scrambled, making it super tough for anyone to trace who sent what to whom. It gives you that anonymity, just like handing over a $20 bill. But here's the kicker, folks. While some are demanding more privacy, the big wigs in the EU are moving in the opposite direction. They're reportedly planning to ban privacy coins outright by 2027. It's a real tug of war between personal freedom and government control, and it's going to be a bumpy ride for sure. Now let's pivot to that other bombshell. China just accused the US of straight up stealing $13 billion in Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard that right. China's cyber agency, CVERC, is claiming that the US seized a massive chunk of Bitcoin that was tied to a 2020 hack of the Lubian mining pool. They're saying a state-level group was behind the original hack and that the US seizure was actually part of the same operation. The US officials, they're not having it, calling the claims totally bogus. This isn't just about money, it's a full-blown geopolitical spat playing out in the crypto arena. $13 billion is no joke, and this kind of accusation could definitely shake things up. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.